How to fix broken product images and improve site UX. To fix broken product images and improve site user experience, start by identifying the root cause of the issue. Once identified, restoring or replacing the images is essential. If that's not possible, using fallback methods like default placeholder images ensures the layout stays intact and professional looking. Improving user experience goes beyond just fixing broken images. Using high-quality visuals that are properly optimized for fast loading helps keep users engaged, including features like image zoom, 360-degree views, and mobile responsiveness enhances how users interact with product visuals. Lazy loading techniques can also improve performance, especially on content-heavy pages. For accessibility and SEO, it's important to use descriptive, alternative text. Continuous monitoring through analytics and user feedback ensures that the product imagery remains functional and impactful. Thanks for watching.